part construction, part drawing, and assemblies. We are in Module 5, when we are going to make the draft of the regular part, of the typical part we have made previously in Module 3. This module also will be divided in 4 units. The Unit 1, the drag of the angle lever. The Unit 2, the draft of the bulbar body. The Unit 3, the draft of the shaft. And the final Unit 4 for the draft of the plate. Well, in Unit 1, angle lever, the most interesting topic we are going to see is the angle cutting plane that could produce a section that, if you use the revolved section mode, we can obtain a non-deformed section of the angle cutting plane. Also, we are going to draw in the view and use the center line by meaning of the dimension axis mode. Also, we look at first the retrieve dimension tool to recover the dimension of the 3D making steps in the Module 3. In Unit 2, bulbar body, we are going to use broken out section. And we are made the local views by hiding edge, by reducing contours of the view, and using that the local view. Also, we are going to use the ball hole circle. In Unit 3 shaft, we are going to use the reference mode for dimension. Also, we are going to use section, dimension prefix for dimension edited, symmetric diameter as a very common tool, and the callout as a specific way of dimensioning to follow the indication of the normal standard, the current standard. In Unit 4, the most important topics are to use the center line between arcs, the ball hole circle. We are going to use a segment cutting plane and use the prefix tool to make the correct dimension of repetitive elements. Well, this is the introduction of the Module 5. A unit has also 2 videos, like in Module 3. In the first, we are going to prepare the views with his cuts and sections, center lines. And in the second videos, we are going principally the dimensioning of the views. Well, we will wait for you in Module 5 summary.